8 health benefits of aloe vera juice. Aloe vera juice is a natural detoxifier that can provide you with a range of health benefits. Here are 8 reasons why you should be drinking it every day. Aloe vera juice is one of the most popular and well-known detox drinks on the market. It has been used for centuries to treat a variety of health conditions, and there is some scientific evidence to support its use. Here are 8 health benefits of aloe vera juice that you may not have known about. But before we get started, please take a moment to smash the subscribe button to help us in our quest to reach 2,000 subscribers. Aloe vera juice is a delicious and nutritious beverage that has been used for centuries in traditional medicine. Here are 8 amazing health benefits of drinking aloe vera juice. Improves digestive health. Aloe vera juice helps to reduce inflammation in the digestive tract, which can help with common symptoms associated with irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, including abdominal cramps, bloating, and diarrhea. Detoxifies the body. Aloe vera juice contains compounds called anthraquinones, which help cleanse the body of toxins and promote healthy digestion. Strengthens immune system. Aloe vera juice is packed with powerful antioxidants that can help boost your immune system and protect against disease, thereby helping you stay healthy. Aids weight loss. Drinking aloe vera juice can help you feel fuller for longer, making it an ideal option if you're trying to lose or maintain a healthy weight. Balances blood sugar levels. The vitamins and minerals present in aloe vera juice can help regulate blood sugar levels, making it beneficial for those who suffer from diabetes or hypoglycemia. Lowers cholesterol. Regular consumption of aloe vera juice has been shown to help lower cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of heart disease and stroke. Promotes healthy hair and skin. Aloe vera contains many essential vitamins and minerals that can nourish your skin from the inside out, giving you glowing skin and stronger hair. 8. Improves oral health. Aloe vera contains antibacterial properties which can reduce plaque buildup on your teeth, protecting against gum disease, so drink some today for a healthier mouth tomorrow. With all these great health benefits, there's no reason not to give this amazing super juice a try. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to help us reach 2,000 subscribers, and then watch this video to the left of your screen.